Okay, so my Fitbit Inspire 2 doesn't turn on when I flick my wrist like that. You can see that it's not turning on. So, to my knowledge, you have to go hold both ends like that, and then you get a different set of settings here. Scroll down to screen wake right there, and you can see that it's off. Sorry, turn that on, and then go back. There you go. Now it's turning on, just like that. For those interested, that's the clock face is the stats heavy clock face available in the Fitbit app. Okay, thanks.